Welcome back to our experiment with RV life. We are just over a week into our trip, and we have arrived at the homestead in Missouri where Charles's mom and stepdad are retired and growing some of their own food. We've been keeping pretty busy since pretty much the moment we arrived, and there's always something going on here between the people and the animals and the farm chores.
We bought it in '95, and it's 31 acres. My dream has always been to homestead or to live on a farm, grow my own food, and have animals. So Steve and I have tried to get that going, and horses. Chickens probably next, and goats. We've had a little bit of everything. We've had rabbits and sheep and bees and pigs. Steve takes care of the pigs. I don't like them. Seems like we always were very tight on money. So any chance you got to grow your own food or stock up a little bit, or have your own milk and eggs and that sort of thing, it just worked out for us. And
Good morning. We made it to Missouri yesterday, and it's the second week of November, although you would not know it from the weather.
80 degrees today.
Charles has been meaning to wash the Bigfoot for quite some time. He's finally going to get a chance to do it today. And I'm going to go put up some firewood, because that's my favorite chore. Good morning, horses. Good morning. Yeah. Look how shiny the Bigfoot is this morning, but Charles is at it again because the hard water from the well made cleaning the windows a little spotty. The heat wave is over and a cold front came through. It's not unpleasant, it's just a lot more like fall than it was. We are loving being on the farm with our trailer. We brought our home, we brought our groceries, we brought our projects to work on, and it makes it much more comfortable for a longer stay. And it's like having next door neighbors that happen to be family, which is really lovely.
I'm getting ready to make adjustments on our trailer hitch, our weight distribution hitch. My stepdad has all the tools to do just about anything because he was a diesel truck technician.
Charles's mom is named Nancy, and Nancy asked me before we came down here whether we might want a quilt. And we said yes, because the cats have destroyed our comforter. So the question is how to make a cat-proof quilt. And Nancy's suggestion was to make it out of denim. So we are using old jeans that she's been collecting for years. I've been cutting 6.5-inch squares, and she's been sewing them together in sets of 4 called blocks, and the blocks will be sewn together later to make the quilt. I'm not handy with the sewing machine myself, but I do like scissors, and I'm excited to make a contribution. You've got too much energy for everybody.
We're going to peel and slice apples to put in the dehydrator. I bought them from the Amish. They came from Pennsylvania, and we buy them in bulk.
I grew up mainly in a rural community. Well, lots of rural communities. I moved a lot, but I generally lived in the country and normally had chickens and other livestock. And my grandparents and parents always did stuff on our own. We were poor, we had to do it on our own.